Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with fractions. In order to solve equations with fractions, multiply each side of the equation by the lowest common denominator and proceed to solve the equation in the normal manner. Let's look at some examples. m over 3 equals 4. We have 3 here, that's all we have, so we multiply each side by 3. We've done that here. The 3's cancel, and that gives us m equals 12 because 4 3's are 12. And we can quickly check if we want. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that's fine. 4w over 5 equals 8. Multiply each side by 5. We've done that here. 5's cancel. That gives us 4w equals 40. Divide each side by 4. We've done that there. So that cancels out to be w, and that's 10. So w equals 10. Number 3. m plus 3 over 4 equals 5. Multiply both sides by 4. So we've multiplied that times 4. The 4's cancel. That gives us m plus 3. On the right hand side we have 5 times 4. So m plus 3 equals 20. Subtract 3 from both sides. That gives us m equals 17. K over 3 plus k over 4 equals 7. Now we have a 3 and a 4. The lowest number that 3 and 4 will divide into is 12. So that's the lowest common denominator. So we multiply both sides by 12. So we've multiplied k over 3 by 12, we multiplied k over 4 by 12, we multiplied 7 by 12. Notice what we said earlier, a few videos earlier. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you do it to the other side. And that keeps the equation balanced. 3 into 12 goes 4, so that's 4k. 4 into 12 goes 3, so that's 3k. So 4k plus 3k equals 7 12s, which is 84. So 7k equals 84. Divide both sides by 7. We've done that here. The 7's cancel, and 84 divided by 7 gives us 12, so k equals 12. This is an excellent example here. It's one of the more difficult ones that we need to do, but if we follow the principles, we won't have any problems. The lowest number that 5 and 8 will divide into is 40, so that's the lowest common denominator, okay? So basically, the lowest number that 5 and 8 will divide into is 40. So we multiply each side by 40. So h minus 1 over 5 times 40 over 1, h minus 3 over 8 by 40 over 1, and there's 1 times 40. 5 into 40 goes 8, so that gives us 8 outside of h minus 1. Notice the brackets. Now, 8 into 40 goes 5, but there's a minus sign, so that's minus 5 outside of h minus 3, and that gives us 40. We expand all that to give us 8h minus 8 minus 5h plus 15, because minus times minus is plus. Collect the like terms. 8h minus 5h is 3h. Minus 8 plus 15 is plus 7. That gives us 40. Subtract 7 from both sides. We've done that here. The 7's cancel. 40 minus 7 is 33. So 3h equals 33. Divide both sides by 3 to give us h equals 11. So in this video, we've done some examples to help us solve equations with fractions. And remember what we do. We look for the lowest number that the denominators will divide into, and we multiply each side of the fraction by that number, and then we proceed to solve the equation in the normal manner.